Welcome to my Fit for Fall freebie. Today, it's all about the abs and waistline. I'm calling it our core crushers. So let's get started and work that waistline. Bending your knees to protect the back and let's twist it out. Warming up through the spine, through the waistline, twist, target tone that tummy, suck in the gut, and pull your abs in. It's all about pulling those abs in. Tighten up that tummy. That's it. Side to side. Really keep it tight. You can do it. Woo! You got it. It's for the waistline. Now punch it out. All the way out. That's it. Tummy is tight. Zip up those abs. We're going to get a nice, tight, trim tummy. That's right. Flat abs right now. Okay, and now hold it to the side. Reach it up, and let's work on the sides of the waistline, our obliques. Suck it in. I call this the waistline cincher. Cinch it in. Pull. That's it. Just warming up through the abs, the waistline, the torso, target toning. That's it. Come on. It's all about the middle. Whittle the middle. That's right. Waistline slimmers. 2 more. Last one, and switch. Reach your arms up and pull. Really feel it. Target tone that tummy. Come on. Zip up those abs. Feel it. It's worth it. You'll look great, I promise. Slim around that waistline. Lose an inch around the belt. Come on, pull. Really feel it. Cinch in that waist. 2 more. Last one. Okay. Knees come up now and work the lower tummy. It's all in the lower abs here. Zip up the abs. Is your back straight? Nice and strong. It's all in the tummy now. Think about the abs. Target tone through the middle, through the waistline. Using your legs like this, work the lower tummy, below the belly button. A place we all need extra help, right? Yes, I do. We all do. Especially if you've had kids, you want to get down below that belly button. Great. Lift up. Last one. Now hold it right here and do baby crunches. Baby crunches. That's it. Standing abs. You can work those abs by just standing and crunching. Feel it. That's it. Pull down. It's a lift and pull. Lift, pull. 2 more. Come on, pull it up. You got it. Last one. Okay, now we twist it out. Twist and release. This is now working the torso, twisting through the waistline. That's it. We are going to target every angle of the waist, your abs, your core, the sides of the waist, the lower tummy. That's it. Even the love handles that we ate. That's it. Last 2. Last one. And release. Inhale up. Elongate through the spine. Lift up. Make it tall. Make it trim. Lift up and release to the side. That's it. And to the other side. Target tone that tummy. Zip up those abs. Come on, zip it up. Feel like you're holding a corset in your waistline and lift up. Okay, now let's walk ourselves all the way down to plank. Walk your hands down. We're going to do a plank. Hold your body outright. Lift your arms. Strong abs and hold. Hold the high hover plank. Don't let your tummy droop or sag here. Tight, really strong in the tummy. Tighten it up. Zip it up. Here's your chance. Okay, now slowly lift the leg up behind you. Stomach is in. Squeeze that bottom. Tighten up that tushy. Hold it, hold it. Working the transverse abdominis. And release. Switch legs. The area that target tones the tummy to hold it in like a belt. Hold it in. And release. And inhale all the way up. And exhale all the way down. Now we're going to do a low hover. Bring your elbows down. Bring your legs straight out. And hold. Really pull that tummy in. Is your tummy tight? Don't let it droop or sag. You're in a nice, strong, straight position. That's it. Now we do a knee kiss. Touch and come up. And touch and come up. This is now working the lower tummy. Last 2. Come on, you can do it. Last set. Great. And release. And let's go to the side. Let's work the sides of our waistline right here. We're going to zip it up. Hold your tummy in and lift and lower. That's it. Really lift and lower. This is now getting that waistline to go in. That's it. If you're advanced, go to level 2. Lift it up and down. Lift it up and down. That's it. Really work the sides of the waistline. Last one, hold it out. Hold it up there. Hold it out. Hold it. And release. And now straddle your legs across and lift your arm up and hold to a side plank. Low hover side plank. Look up at the fingertips if you can. Now really lift right here. If you're just starting out, go ahead and put your knee down. That's okay. You're still getting the waistline worked. That's it. Beautiful. Now hold it there. Hold it. Great. And release. Switch sides. The first one's for the sides of the waistline. So we go nice and in, cinch it in, lift it up and lower. Really feel your tummy lifting. That's it, feel it all through here. Is your tummy tight? Good, suck it in. It's all about tightening, pulling it in, training your abs to re-educate them to pull in, not pooch out. That's what it's all about. Great, we got 2 more, come on. For those of you advanced, lift up your elbow up and back, straighten out through the tummy. That's it. No slouching, lift up and release. And now straddle your legs, lift up if you can and hold. Isometric hold, come on. Hold it, you're strong, your abs, your waistline, suck in the lower tummy. You can do it. Hold it up there and release. Okay, sitting up nice and tall, let's work on the beautiful rectus abdominis muscle, the front of your abs. We're gonna slowly roll down using your abs. Notice 1 vertebrae at a time touches the mat. Control, it's all in the abs, and release. Clasp your hands behind you. Bring your knees a little closer. I like to bring my heels up, and now let's begin our crunches. Lift up and lower. Breathe out and inhale, and crunch, exhale. As you crunch, you want to really flatten everything. That's it, really flatten that belly. Flatten the abs, that's it. Really feel it, press and release. Press, really feel it. You can do it. We got 1 more, and we do an isometric hold. Hold for those abs, suck in the gut. That's it, now reach your fingertips to the knees and little baby pulses. That's it, oh, feel it in the tummy. Now for those of you who have any neck issues, go ahead and put your hands right there to support your neck. Otherwise, the abs are doing your work, 100% work. Last one, hold it and release. Bringing your knee to your chest, that's it, and switch. Elongate the leg, making you use the lower tummy too. That's great. And press, that's it, chin is up. That's it, your apple or an orange can be fit right between your chin and chest. That's it, no crunches like this. It's a lift. Lift up your chest. That's it, pull. Use your abs. That's it. Now you're working the lower tummy too. This is a fabulous one. Okay, now let's twist. The #1 best exercise is the bicycle for us. That and planks for the tummy. Press and press. 2 more. You got it. Feel it. You can do it. Last one and release. Now bring your knees to your chest and just relax. Now I want your knees to come all the way up to your chest and release. Now we're going to target tone below the belly button. Very controlled. If you're a beginner, go ahead and place your hands right here for support. That's okay. I like to put them up here, so I use 100% of the lower abs, the lowest end of the rectus abdominis, the area we all need to target tone. This is concentrated, this is precision, it's really getting right where we need it, right down there, you guys, come on. We got 2 more. We got 1 more, hold it up there, and release. Roll all the way up, let me see that beautiful smiling face, and let's work the sides of the waistline. And keep your feet right on the floor if you're just starting out. It's hot this morning. I hope you're having a great workout with me. I love to give you these fall freebies. I feel so proud. All of you can join. Get everyone in your home to join me right from my home to yours. I love it. You can do this. It's easy, 10-minute workouts. It's worth it. And every week I do a different routine, an entire new workout. Okay, can you lift the legs up? Whoa, can you feel the difference? That really gives you that 6-pack abs. Yes, flatten that belly. Okay, suck it in, pull it in. You can do it. Give it all you got right now. 110%. Go, punch it out, come on. Last one, you can do it. Last set. Okay, and slowly lift up, inhale up. And exhale down. Let me see that strong arms, legs. Elongate the spine. Pull your abs up and in. That's it. Stretch it all out. You did it. Wonderful workout. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale up and exhale out. Beautiful. Give yourself a big hand. Congratulations. Hi, I'm Denise Austin. Want more of my workouts? Then join me at deniseaustin.com. I've got daily exercise routines, fabulous recipes, inspiration to keep you motivated. I promise to get you off that couch and help you lose weight. Go check it out.